What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents.
We have been learning about our different coins, the penny, nickel, and the dime. And today we are going to be using what we have learned to solve our number story. We are going to start doing our number stories with coins in them. So I have a very special friend with me today.
Hi, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh, I heard you had a problem and you wrote it out so that we can help you solve it. Okay, Winnie the Pooh, let's go ahead and see.
Okay, Winnie the Pooh, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to read your number story, and hopefully we can help you out with your problem. So we're going to go ahead and read it with our magic finger. So go ahead and hold up your finger. Follow along on the screen. Finger on Pooh Bear. And it says, Pooh Bear has a nickel and a penny. His honey costs 6 cents. Does Pooh Bear have enough to buy his honey? Pooh Bear, we're going to read it one more time so that we know what your problem is. Pooh Bear has a nickel and a penny. His honey cost 6 cents. Does Pooh Bear have enough to buy his honey? Okay. What's that? You're right. I think everybody needs to go ahead and close their eyes and listen to the number story one more time. So go ahead and close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Listen to the story. Pooh Bear has a nickel and a penny. His honey cost 6 cents. Does Pooh Bear have enough to buy his honey? Oh no, Pooh Bear, it looks like you're trying to buy honey, but you don't know if you have enough. So let's go ahead, Pooh Bear, and we're going to annotate in your story. Remember, annotate helps us figure out our important numbers that we're going to be working with. So we're going to start at the very beginning. Pooh Bear has a nickel. A nickel. We just learned about a nickel. And a nickel, we said, was 5 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write on the top 5 cents so that I don't forget that a nickel is 5 cents. Now, let's keep going. So Pooh Bear has a nickel and a penny. Wait a second, we learned about a penny. And a penny, we said, was 1 cent. So I'm going to go ahead and also label that there. A penny is 1 cent. Okay. His honey cost 6 cents. So let's see. You have a nickel and a penny, and you need a total of 6 cents. We want to know, does Pooh Bear have enough to buy his honey? Okay. So let's go ahead and we're going to draw it out, or this is a perfect time to go get your coins. Go get a nickel and a penny. So it looks like we have a nickel. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw down a nickel. And I know that a nickel is 5 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and label it 5 cents. Okay. And you also have a penny. There's a penny. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in a penny or draw a penny. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to label that 1 cent. So you have a nickel, which is 5 cents, and a penny, which is 1 cent. And so we want to see how much money you have and if you have enough. How much total money you have. You're right, Pooh Bear. That means I have to add. I have to add. Yes, They have been working really hard on adding, so I know they can do this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my symbol because we want to know how much total you have. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to draw our symbol, our plus. So now it looks like I have my numbers. I know it's going to be 5 cents plus my penny, which is 1 cent. And I know how to do that. I can either draw it out or I can count on. So I can say, wait a second, 5 plus 1 is 6. So you have, my friend, 6 cents. You have 6 cents. So then my equation right here is telling me a nickel, 5 cents, plus 1 penny, which is what you have, Winnie the Pooh, a nickel and a penny. You have a total of 6 cents. Now, does Pooh Bear have enough to buy his honey? If your honey costs 6 cents, do you have enough now to buy your honey? Yes, you have exactly enough money to buy your honey. What's that, Pooh Bear? I am so excited and happy for you too. You can go and buy your honey. Friends, I know this might be a little bit of a tricky number story, but I know you can do it. We're going to go over it one more time. Listen up. So we know that Pooh Bear has a nickel and a penny. So what we did is we labeled our nickel, which was 5 cents, and our penny, which is 1 cent. We realized that his honey cost 6 cents. And because we know his honey cost 6 cents, we know we want a total of 6. So we got to figure out, do we have enough? So Miss Lucy used her manipulatives, used her coins to help her. I went and I got a nickel, and I know that's 5 cents. I went and I got a penny. I know that's 1 cent. And because I want to know how much Winnie the Pooh has in all, I added them. So I did 5 cents plus 1 cent, and it gave me 6 cents, which is exactly how much the honey cost. Okay, so I'm going to show you what this may look like if I may be working on it on a whiteboard. So I know that Pooh Bear has a nickel, and a nickel is 5 cents. And he has a penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. I want to know, does he have enough? So first I have to figure out his total. So I'm going to add 5 cents plus 1 cent. What I can do is I can draw it out in a circle. So I know 5 cents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Plus means I'm going to draw more. So 1. How many does he have in all, in total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6
cents. So does Winnie the Pooh have enough? Yes, he has exactly 6 cents. You can also use a number line, or like we did, you can do a counting on strategy. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my retail. First, Pooh Bear has a nickel and a penny. Then we found out his honey cost 6 cents. Now, Pooh Bear has 6 cents. So yes, he can buy his honey. Down below, you're going to see the charts of our coins to help you. If you forgot their value, how much each is worth, you can use those. Your number story is going to be down below. I know this might be a tricky number story for some of us, and if it is, that's okay, because practice helps our brain grow. Practice helps our brain grow. So before we go, Winnie the Pooh and I want to say thank you to everybody who has been taking the challenges. Good luck. I hope you guys can also help Winnie the Pooh in your number story. See you tomorrow.